It's amazing how much they pushed him over, or you. It's amazing how much they pushed your boat over to us, eh?
I feel like I'm an ice floe and they're just trying to wash them out from underneath me.
Yeah, no kidding, eh?
Si, regarde, il est pas mort le soleil.
Oh shit! Yeah, there's the sea lion. Oh shit! Don't worry, we'll be fine.
Oh my god.
Here, we're gonna. Oh, looks like it has something chopped off of it for sure. It's definitely injured. See, he's trying to climb on there. What's that?
He's hiding.
Yeah, well, see, look, he's definitely injured there.
He's not dying. Yeah?
No, he's alive there. He's there.
He's still alive.
Yeah, it looks like it. Over that?
Scared me when they were just.
Oh!
Oh yeah.
Oh my god. They're so close. Whoa, there's one. Thank you. So this fellow has a sea lion here that is trying to seek shelter on his boat, and has been for a good old half an hour here. And orcas don't like him, so the guide here from one of the whale watching boats has suggested that he try and go over to Boyer and try and drop him off there, and drop off the sea lion, and hopefully avoid danger there.